Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals, Part 1. Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals, Part 1. Okay. So, fractions you have studied in 6th standard also. Clear? What is fraction? How we will get fraction? You take one apple. Clear? Correctly divide into two equal parts. What will be the fraction? Take one apple, correctly divide it into two equal parts. So what will be the fraction? Each part will be 1 by 2. Clear? Each part is half of the whole. Clear? Half of the whole. That means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the fraction. So in the fraction we have many types. You see proper fraction, clear? Improper fraction and mixed fraction. Clear? You see proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A proper fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. Okay, part of a whole. What I told, take one apple, correctly divide into two equal parts. Okay, each part will be what? Fraction of that whole part. That means half of the whole part. Each will be half of the whole part. That means 1 by 2 is the fraction. So examples you see. 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. You see numerator is lesser than the denominator. That means you will get proper fraction. Numerator is always less than the denominator. Means you will get proper fractions. Okay. See some more examples. 3 by 4, 5 by 9, 6 by 13, 7 by 19. All are proper fraction. You see the numerator. All the numerator is lesser than the denominator. That means denominator is bigger than the numerator. Clear? That is the proper fraction. Now improper fraction will just reverse. Okay. An improper fraction is a combination of whole number. Okay. And proper fraction. It is combination of whole number and proper fraction. Here, improper fraction. You see examples. 12 by 5 is an improper fraction. Here, numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Clear? There you will get an improper fraction. Okay. That means it is, if you divide means, you will get some whole number. Clear? You will get some whole number and the remainder you will get. Clear? Here, if you divide means you cannot divide. Clear? You cannot divide. In proper fraction, you cannot 3 by 4. You cannot divide. Clear? You will get decimal parts. Understand? So we will see later on that. Okay. Here, what you can divide. You can divide. 12 by 5 means you can divide. It will go how many times? 2 times. In 12, how many 5 will be there? 2 5s there. The remainder is 2. You will get quotient, remainder you will get. Such type of fraction is called what? Improper fraction. Clear? We will see some more fraction. 21 by 8, 41 by 9, 35 by 3, 30 by 7 are called all improper fractions. Clear? Next, mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? And improper fraction can be expressed as a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by denominator. Just to divide numerator and denominator means you will get quotient and the remainder. Then the mixed fraction will be expressed as quotient remainder by divisor. Quotient remainder by divisor. This is the form. This is the form. First write quotient, then remainder divided by divisor. This is the form. So example you see 1 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. 1 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Clear? Understand? So very simple. Already you studied. So this year you are going to study more about addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, then multiplication of fraction, division of fraction, some applications problems also. Clear? You see that the improper fraction 61 by 11 can be converted as 5 6 by 11. How you are getting? Just about dividing this. Just dividing this. 61, 11. You divide. Okay. How many 11 there in 61? 5 there. That is quotient. Clear? So 5 into 11, 55. So what is the remainder? 6 is the remainder. Remainder, quotient, divisor. Okay. So this improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Okay. Mixed fraction as 5 is the quotient, 6 is the remainder divided by divisor. This is the form of mixed fraction. Clear? So we will see some more examples also. We will see some more examples. 4 2 by 3, 7 3 by 4, 2 1 by 2. Like this we can write so many examples of mixed fractions. Next we have equivalent fractions. You know equivalent fractions. So 3 by 5 can be written as 6 by 10. You simplify. Okay, 2 is common factor. Again you will get same thing. 9 by 15. Simplify. 3 is common factor. Again you will get 3 by 5. 4 common factor. Clear? Then 5 common factor. Okay. So like this you can write the equivalent fractions are all equivalent fractions. 3 by 5 can be written as 6 by 10. Just to multiply the numerator by 2, denominator by 2. That means 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 2, 10. You will get equivalent fractions. Like this so many you can write. Multiply by 3, multiply by 4, multiply by 5. So like this you will get so many equivalent fractions. Okay. So next we will see some exercise problems. Exercise 2.1, first problem, solve. First one is 2 minus 3 by 5. How to solve this subtraction of fraction? In 6th class you have studied. Still okay. Just to recall it. So here denominator 5 there. In the second term, denominator 5 is there. In the first term, no denominator means what? You have to write it as 1. So 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Clear? Next what you have to do is you have to make the denominator same. Clear? Then only you can take LCM. Clear? So for that here 1 is there, here 5 is there. So this one you have to make same denominator means what you have to do is 5 multiply, numerator and denominator 5 multiply, okay, minus 3 by 5. That means 2 into 5, 10, 10 by 5, minus 3 by 5. Now you see the denominator, both same, means take this denominator as LCM. Okay, now easily you can subtract the numerator, that is 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. How much? 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 by 5. Okay, 7 by 5 is a improper fraction. So you can make it as a mixed fraction means 5 divided means 2, 1 time will go. Okay, 1 time will go. 2 is the remainder by 5. Okay, if you have doubt you multiply and see. 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. Okay. Clear? To convert a mixed fraction into what improper fraction, what you have to do is you just to multiply the quotient, then add the remainder means numerator you will get. Then denominator you write this same denominator will write. Clear? So like this you can easily convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So this is the method. Clear? You can do now you are 7th class, you can do directly. See in 6th class you have done like this, but 7th class how we have to do is you see I will teach. Same problem. Clear? Here denominator 1 you take. Denominator not given means 1 you take. Okay. Now take LCM. LCM is 5. LCM is 5. 1 into 5, 5 LCM. LCM is 5 here. Take LCM denominator. Both denominator take LCM is 5. Okay. Now this denominator, first term denominator you divide. Means how much you will get? 5. 5 by 1 is 5. So 5 multiply with this numerator means 10. 2 into 5, 10. Minus. Now this 5 you divide means how much? 1. 1 into 3, 3. Clear? This is the method. So that is equal to 7 by 5. 7 by 5. Same thing we will get. 7 by 5 then you change into mixed fraction. Okay. So same thing you will get. This is in 7th class you try to do this way. Clear? This is for the time being you can do like that. But the actual method you have to learn. Clear? Properly. Okay. You see same way 4 plus 7 by 8. How to solve this means 4 no denominator means keep 1 plus 7 by 8. So that is equal to 1 into 8 8. Okay, there is no common factor, so you have to just multiply the denominator, then this you multiply here, this you multiply here. That is the easy way, okay, to solve this. So multiply this, how much? 32 plus multiply 7, so 39 by 8. So how many 8 there? 4 8 there. What is the remainder? 7 by 8. Okay, so when you have improper fraction means better you change it into mixed fraction. Clear? So like this easily you can solve. Understand? So remember here denominator are no common factor. 1 and 8 no common factor other than 1. Clear? That means just to multiply the denominator, then do cross multiply. That is easy way and you can do very fast. Okay. Otherwise what you have to do? Same way. This denominator you take and divide, then multiply this. Same only you will get. This denominator you take and divide 1 into 7 7. Like this you have to do. That is actual method. But there is no common denominator in the. There is no common factor in the denominator. Just cross multiply. Okay. And easily you can do. That is best method. You see this problem. You see the denominator. No common, both are prime number means no common factor at all other than 1. Clear? So what you have to do? Multiply the denominator. Multiply denominator, what you will get? 5 into 7, 35. Correct? 5 into 7, 35. Now this 7 you multiply here. How much? 21. Plus symbol there means plus you write. This 5 you multiply 10. So this can be written as how much? 31 by 35. Okay, 31 by 35 is the proper fraction. Okay, keep it as it is. Clear? You see next problem. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Immediately see the denominator. How the denominator is. One is prime number, another one composite number. Clear? If you have like this, what if you take LCM, you have to multiply. Both denominator multiply means how much? 11 into 15. Okay. 165. 165 write it here. Clear? 165 write it here. Now when you multiply the denominator, you multiply, cross multiply you do. 15 into 9. 15 into 9. 135. Minus 11 into 4, 44. Now subtract 1, 13, 4 means 9. So 91 by 165. It is also in for the proper fraction. Clear? You see this problem, 3 fractions are given. So how to add when they give 3 fractions, how to add? Means very simple. Just to take LCM. So what is LCM? On seeing the denominator, immediately we tell what is LCM. LCM is what? 10. Clear? LCM is 10. You don't know means you find out. Clear? Like this easily you can find out. 10, 5, 2. 2 table first you divide. 5 you cannot divide. So write as it is. This 2 1 time. Clear? Again divided by 5 table. 1 1 1. Then all you multiply means 10. LCM is 10. LCM is 10. Right? LCM is 10. Multiply. Every number you have to multiply. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 1, 10 like this. Clear? LCM you will get. So LCM 10 you have to write in the denominator. Now you have to make the denominator same. After what you have to do is this first 10 you divide here means 1. Clear? So 1 into 7, 7. So when you have same denominator, here you write as it is. Then plus there means plus. Now this 5 will divide how much? 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Again plus symbol there means plus. Now this 2 you divide means 10 by 2, 5. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 3, 15. So here 11, okay, plus 15. First you write these two. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 15 by 10. So what you will get here? 11 plus 15, 26 by 10. Okay. So how many time will go? 2 times. What is the remainder? 6 by 10. 6 by 10. Clear? So next you see, here there is a common factor. 2 is common factor. So you simplify better. Better simplify. That means in 2 table, how many time will go? 13 here. Clear? Then here 5. You 2 table you okay. Simplify means 13 by 5. Now you change. This is the improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction. How will you change? 5 divide means 2 times. What is the remainder? 3. 3 by 5. 2 3 by 5 is the answer. Clear? You see, a mixed fraction is given. Clear? So first you have to convert into improper fraction. Mixed fraction you can convert into improper fraction. Then you have to add. Clear? So how to convert this? 6. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3. Plus here 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Correctly how to convert. Okay, you see again I will teach. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Then denominator write as it is. Plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Denominator write as it is. Okay, now easily you can add. What is LCM here? Both are prime number means just to multiply. 3 into 2, 6. When you multiply the denominator, cross multiply. 16, 21. Okay, this is easy method I am teaching you. Okay, 3 into 2, 6, then cross multiply. 16, 21. Now easily we can add how much? 7, 37 by 6. So 37 by 6 is improper fraction. So convert. How much time will go? 6. What is the remainder? 1 by 6. 6, 1 by 6. Next you see subtraction given. Clear? Same way you have to do. Okay. Minus symbol there means minus you have to put and subtract. Okay. Now you see. 17. Denominator write as it is. 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Right. Now take LCM. Here common factor there. Okay. Here one prime number, one composite number means LCM you take. That is better. Okay. 2 table means 1 4 times. Again 2 table means 1 2 times. So again 2 table means 1 1. So what is LCM? 8. LCM is 8. Right. So this LCM you take it as denominator. Whole denominator you take it as LCM 8. Right. Now here this 2 you divide means how much you will get? 4. 4 into 17. 4 into 17. 68. Right. Then this 8 already there. So 1. So 29 you write as it is. Now 68, 29 subtract 9, 3, 39. 39 by 8. So 8 table easily you can divide. How many times? 4. 7 by 8. 4, 7 by 8 is the answer. Clear? So next, second problem we'll see. Arrange the following in descending order. Some fractions given, you have to make it in the descending order. Descending order means what? Big to small. Clear? So in fraction, what you have to do is, first you have to make all the denominator same. That means like fraction. You have to make all the denominator same. Clear? For that, what you have to do is take all denominator and take LCM. Okay. So 9, 3, 21. 9, 3, 21. Take LCM. How to take LCM? Divided by 3. 3 times will go. This is 1 time. This is 7 time will go. Right? Again divided by 3. 1, 1, 7. Again divided by 7. So last you have to make always here 1. Then all numbers you multiply, you will get. Therefore LCM equal to 3 into 3 into 7. That is 9 into 7, 63 is the LCM. Clear? So all the denominator you have to make 63. Clear? So first 29, 2 by 9 you take. 2 by 9 denominator to make 63 means how much you have to multiply? 7. So 2 into 7 by 9 into 7. Okay, so multiplication table should be thorough. Then only easily you can do here. So you have to make denominator 63 means 7 you have to multiply. 9 table. Clear? So 14 by 63. Same way 2 by 3. Then you have to make 63 means how much you have to multiply? 21. So how much? 42 by 63. Okay. Same way 8 by 21. To make 63 here 21 already there. You have to make 63 means multiply 3. So 8 into 3 24. 24 by 63. Clear? Now you see all denominators same. Now easily you can find out the numerator. Okay. Easily you can see the numerator and you can easily find out the bigger one to smaller one. Right? Here which is bigger one? 42. That first you write. Therefore 42 by 63 is greater than. Okay. Then next greater is this. So 24 by 63 is greater than. First greater number is 42. 42 by 63. Next one is 24 by 63. Then 14 by 63. Right? 14 by 63. Clear? So like this you have to see the denominator and write big to small. Big to small. 42 is greater than 24 is greater than 14. Clear? Therefore, now what is 42 by 63 is 2 by 3. So that you write 2 by 3 greater than. Then 8 by 21. What is given in the problem? That you write as it is. So 2 by 9. Okay. So all the fractions arranged in the descending order. Clear? So like this you can do ascending order also. Ascending order means what? Small to big you have to write. Same way you have to do. Make the all denominators same. Then see the numerator. Then just reversely you write. That is small to big you have to write. First it will come this one. Then 24 then 42. So like this you have to write small to big. That is ascending order. Same thing you can write it as ascending order also. Clear? I will give it homework. Okay, do practice. So you do these 3 problems as homework. Okay.